Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, so let me do it. And here, since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and I'm not really sure whether it is the timer. It is not, so it means that we have to enter the settings. So let's tap in this option in the right upper corner, and here let's scroll to this photo settings section, and that was a misclick. It is really important to be sure that you're on the photo mode because the settings are tightly connected with the mode you've got currently set. So here we've got the countdown duration, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. However, unfortunately we do not have any kind of icon, any kind of notification right here in the camera that we've got the timer set, so you can be surprised if you will forget that you've set the timer. All we have to do basically is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can always turn off the timer, just go back to those options, tap on countdown and tap on off. Since it is right here, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.